Hey you guys, so I am doing my floors. I'm using the Armstrong flooring. This is the peel and stick groutable towel. So it's not that little flimsy towel. It's a lot thicker and a lot more durable. So I had a measuring tape. I have a little knife to cut when I need to. This is the grout that I'm using. This right here, that's what I'm using to spread the grout. This is what I use to clean the floor with. So I swept it up real good. I have concrete floors, as you can see right there. I swept the floor real good. I mopped it and then scraped it with this kind of brush or whatever to really get it clean. And then I let it air dry. And then now I'm just starting to place the towel down to see like where I want it to go. And I'm using this straight edge to make sure everything is straight. So this is kind of the beginning process. Here's my little mop bucket and broom and trash can that I was using. So I'm really excited. This bathroom really isn't that big. So I only have one box. I probably wouldn't even use all of that one box. But yeah, this is the beginning process. So I am excited. I am Mrs. Fix It now, y'all. Alright. So this is what I have done so far. It looks really good. I've started doing by the toilet. That piece was fairly easy to do. This piece with cutting it and getting it right is a little difficult. And then kind of by the tub a little bit. But overall, it's looking really good and I'm so excited. Looks really good. Now we can just see what Chris thinks when he gets home. Alright guys, so this is the finished product and I'm very brave. I can't even talk. I'm very proud of myself. It took me all day. It took me like a good old 3-hour nap / break in between, but it's all done and I'm so excited. It's very tedious. I think the main thing that I struggled with was cutting the pieces, and because you know it's like fitting a puzzle. So like these main squares, that was like the easy part, and then that over there was the easy part. But the tub, that was pretty difficult. But I'm very shocked at how I was able to do the toilet back there. I did pretty good with cutting the pieces around the toilet. So I'm really, oh gosh, y'all just don't know. I'm so happy. My husband loves it. So I'm really excited. It goes with the theme of the bathroom for the most part. Black and gray and white, I guess, so you could say. So I'm really pleased with it. So the main thing I would say is if you have somebody that can cut them for you, you know, that would be helpful. Sizing it, measuring, and cutting everything right was probably the main part. But the grounding was easy. Laying them down was easy. So like the hardest part was really just cutting. But I'm so pleased and I'm so happy. And I can't wait to do the rest of the house. So this is about how much grout I have left. I did have more than this, but I was getting kind of picky around some edging and stuff like that. But again, I'm very pleased and I'm very excited. Also, I did use one box. One box was enough for this, like exactly. I did mess up with a few, so I probably could have had like 2 or 3 left. But the box covers 24 square feet, and I think this floor was like 21 square feet. So, I don't know if that's right. I think so, but I did use one box, and one box does cover 24 feet. I know that for sure. So I used one box, and I'm so happy. It looks so good. So I'm trying to be a handyman, and you think you can do it, I say go for it. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I was like, you know what, I can do this. I can do this myself. We have a fixer-upper, and we're gonna get new what is that called? I can't think of what that's called. Siding or wood, what is that called? Wow, I really can't think of it. But that right there that I'm pointing to, that lines the bottom of the wall, we're gonna get new of that eventually. So, all right, guys.